Well, hey there, sugar. Sit yourself down and let me tell ya. This cherry cobbler recipe isn't just any old dessert. This is the one my grandbabies beg for every summer, straight out of my old recipe box here in the heart of the Midwest. Now, you might think you've had cherry cobbler before, but trust me, you haven't tasted it like this. We're talking tart cherries, a buttery golden crust, and a secret pinch of cinnamon that'll have you going back for seconds, maybe thirds if no one's looking. First things first, grab yourself about 4 cups of fresh or frozen cherries. I like to give them a quick toss with just a little sugar and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Let them sit while you whip up the topping. That's where the magic happens. Now don't get fancy on me. Just all-purpose flour, sugar, a bit of salt, and plenty of cold butter. Cut that butter in till you've got pea-sized crumbles, then stir in a splash of milk. You want it thick, but not too sticky, like a good biscuit dough. Spoon your cherries into a buttered baking dish, scatter that dough right on top, and dust it all with a little cinnamon sugar. Bake at 375 degrees till it's bubbly and the top's a beautiful shade of golden brown. About 35 minutes. Let it cool just a smidge, then serve big spoonfuls with vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream. Lordy, that first bite'll take you right back to Grandma's kitchen. Thank you for watching, darling. Welcome to Global Family Cookbook. If you haven't already, please subscribe so you don't miss a single slice of home.